How to do this viral Instagram audio trend right here. Hello guys and welcome to this channel. So first of all, you have to go on your Instagram app, and then from there you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from here you have to go to August, add yours at highlights, so it's here. And now you have to tap until you find the desired sticker. So there we have it. Click on the others button. And if you are not able to click on the others button, once I will finish to do the story, I will show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let's do the story, and afterwards I will show you that tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo. I will go with this photo right here. Now you can make your sticker bigger or smaller, and you can share your story with your friends by clicking on your story button from the left bottom corner. And now guys, if you are not able to click on the others button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram account, but this time you'll have to go to super viral at highlights. So it's here. And you will find this first story, which is not able to click on others button. Then you can click on this YouTube link right here, and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 2 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So make sure to click here on this link if you are not able to click on the others button. Thank you so much for watching guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and comment in the comment section down below. Have a great day. Bye bye.